how to create your Tronlink wallet in few minutes. In this video, I'll show you and guide you on how to create your Tronlink wallet in few minutes. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to type Tronlink extension, and I'll be working with Tronlink Chrome extension. Now, you can do this if you are using a smartphone. Go to your store, App Store, for iPhone users, and Play Store for Android. Type Tronlink and install it. Then follow the step in this video to fill in, do the other things that are needed. Okay, so I'll click on Add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, so we have it. So we have it here. So we'll pin it. The next thing I'll open it and continue. Create wallet. Then you have to accept this agreement. You have to accept this consent. Okay. Yeah, so we have it, agree. So the wallet, okay, so let me start. Okay, so we have, make sure that you use eight digit or eight alphanumeric key for your password. So the next step is to back it up. So to back up, you need you click on view mnemonic. Now this is very important. Make sure you don't show your seed phrase. This mnemonic phrase is also called seed phrase. Make sure you don't show it to anybody. I'm showing this because it is for demonstration purpose and not for, I'm not going to use this. I'll delete this account. Okay, this is just to teach you. Now we'll copy this, okay, and paste it somewhere. Okay, then we go back. Okay, go back. Okay, so so we are back it up. Then we click on already backup. Now we have to type this. What is number 5 here on the seed phrase? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's help. Okay, then I'll click on next. What is number 2? Number 2 is point. Okay, I'll click on next. What is number 11? Number 11 is crop. I'll click on confirm. Verification success. Okay, so this is the first thing that you need to do. So you need to download, then you need to back up your seed phrase. So once this is done, the next thing is to know how to buy coin on this platform. How to buy coin. Okay, so we'll go to Sunpump.meme and buy one of the tokens. So let's say I want to buy one of the tokens, one of the leading tokens. Okay, so you want to buy, okay, let's just use this as an example. So you want to buy this. Okay, then we'll go to this Sunswap. Sunswap is the DEX, okay, for Tron chain. So the first thing we need to do is to connect our wallet. We already have connect our wallet to wallet we just created. Okay, so click on connect. So it's already connected. So what we need to do is to go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap or Sunpump.meme and get a contract address. So let's use this contract address. Say I want to buy this token. I want to swap from Tron to this contract address. Then this Tron, I'm swapping my Tron, this token. So I'll click on paste it. You can see, let's say I want to buy 500 units of PRS. So this is how much it will give me. This is how many tokens. 13.2 million worth of token. Then I'll click on swap. Then I'll confirm, and I'll have the token. Okay. So guys, this is the step-by-step guide on how to download and install, backup your seed phrase. Okay, download Tronlink wallet, install Tronlink wallet, backup the seed phrase, and how to connect that wallet to Sunswap and use it to swap from TRX to a new token. Okay, if you find this content helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel. On top of this channel, there's a video on the top main point you should buy if you want to make money in crypto. Check it out, it will be very useful. Okay, CoinDollar has a community, and in this community, our goal is to provide guide on how members can make dollars in crypto on daily basis. So check the description or section and you'll find the link to join or the communities. Okay. Also, if you are new to this page, now there's a free ebook titled Crypto Millionaire. It explains how to make money in crypto. Kindly check the description section and you'll find the link to